What is up, guys? We are back with another video, and today we're going to be taking a look at these portable power banks by Rorry. Now, shouts out to them for sending these over. I really do appreciate it. And not only did they send one, they sent two, one in black and one in white. So we will get to take a look at both colors today. Now, if you're new here, the way I like to do things is I like to show you guys where you can pick it up from, whether that be on Amazon or their official website. I like to then do a quick little unboxing because I love to do unboxings, all right? And then after that, man, I do a little bit of fit and finish, check the functionality, all of that good stuff, man. And then by the end of this video, I'll let you guys know if I think this is a device that you should be taking a look at, all right? Let's get started. All right, guys, so I have my iPad right here, so I got a little bit of help, man. But where you can find these at is on Amazon. The price is $32.99, and that's for the black and the white, but they also got a 20% off coupon. Also, everything I'm talking about right here, you should see on the screen, all right? So right here, a little bit of product description. This is a portable power bank, 5,000 milliamps. Says that it's super lightweight, built-in cables, charges your Apple Watch and all your devices, all right? Universal compatibility, whether that be with Apple devices or any other Type-C devices. So it does work with some Android devices and other carriers and things like that, all right? It says it has a large capacity of 5,000 milliamp hours. It says that you could charge your Apple Watch about 5 to 7 times, your iPhone 1 time. It says you could charge your AirPod Pros about 6 times, your Nintendo Switch 1 time, and I'm assuming this is like an iPad Pro, but it says like 0.5 times, all right? It also says you can charge 4 devices simultaneously. So right here, it's looking like it has the Apple Watch on it. It got the AirPods, and it got a Samsung device and an iPhone. All right, so that's what it's looking like there. And it has Type-C built-in input and output. All right. You can also charge your iWatch because the little puck is magnetic. So, you know, that's always a good look. And then one of my favorite things about it is the fact that it supports pass-through technology. All right. So that means that you can plug this in and it can charge your devices at the same time it can hold and take a charge. All right. So that's going to be a good look as well. And then right here, last but not least, says it's a perfect travel companion because it's lightweight, mini size, says you can get on the plane with it. And then, you know, obviously safety. All right. So with that, let's go ahead and jump into the box. Taking a look at the box, it's very simple. Just says Rorry portable power bank, 5,000 milliamps, with a nice little picture of the device on it. Got a nice check mark in the white because it's the white version. You can also pause the screen right here if you want to take a look at this information later. Moving to the next box, it's the same thing. The only difference is it's going to have a check mark in the black because this is going to be the black version. And you can also pause the screen right here. Once you open it up, you're going to have your user manual sitting up on the top. And you're going to have a USB-C cable so that you can charge the device. And then you're going to have the actual power bank itself. All right. Moving to the next box, you're going to have the same contents. It's just going to be in black. So you're going to have a user manual. You're going to have the black USB-C cable. And then you're going to have the black power bank itself. All right. Real quick, real simple, and real easy. Nothing to the unboxing. And then the user manual is very thin. It's not thick at all, but it does have some cool information in it if you want to pause the screen and just come back to refer to this at any point in time. And looking at the power bank itself, this is the white one. You got your puck on the top right there. You got your LED indicator area. And then on this side right here, you're going to have your USB-C cable so that you can charge many other devices that's USB-C compatible. First thing I noticed on this thing, though, is that it's very lightweight, man. And I do like how pocketable it does feel. Now, I will say I don't think you should put this on the keychain because it's a little bit too big for a keychain, to be honest. But at the bottom, you got your USB-C. On this side right here, you're going to have your lightning cable here so that you can charge your iPhone. But keep in mind, again, the iPhone 15 now it's going to be USB-C, so that's going to work for the older devices. And then right here on the back, just some more information about the wattage and milliamp hours and all of that good stuff. It is very sturdy around the key ring area. Has that little leather little hook, and then you got that metal key ring. And again, I don't think that you should put this on your keys and put it in your pocket. But I do think that putting it on a bag or something like that, it'll be good to go. It is some very hard plastic, but it's built very, very solid. Now, the black one, you got the same thing. But the one thing you're going to notice about the black one is that it seems to have like this matte finish. So as I'm playing with it or moving around with it right here, you can see that my fingerprints are kind of caking this thing up, man. It's kind of smudging it up. So if you was eating something very greasy, then you went to grab this, just know that, you know, it's going to leave some grease stains on there. You're going to have to kind of clean it later. But again, it's very sturdy. Got your USB-C at the bottom again. Got your power button, LED indicators, all that good stuff. Key ring. They built very, very well. Very nice. Key rings are very, very solid. Trust me, they are very, very solid. So again, guys, just 2 quick little power banks, man. And this is everything that comes inside the box. All right, guys, so let's go ahead and charge a handful of devices with this power bank. But before we do that, I just want to preface this video by saying I'm recording with my iPhone 12. And if you guys don't remember, my iPhone 12 does not have a charging port anymore. So I can't plug any external microphones into my iPhone 12. So just know that all this audio is being recorded strictly through the iPhone with no external microphone whatsoever. So work with me, all right? But anyway, we got a handful of devices here. We got an iPhone 13. We got a pair of AirPods Pro. We got my old Apple Watch that I wear every single day that's scratched up. And we have some GoPro batteries right here. So we're going to go ahead and charge these up. So first off, let's go ahead and let's go ahead and plug this in right here. Turn these on. So we got that plugged in. Let's go ahead and turn it on. And as you can see, we have the light going right there. So that's one. Let's go ahead and plug in the GoPro batteries real quick. Let's get that knocked out. Just like that. We got the GoPro batteries going. And I like to use the GoPro batteries because it shows you the indicator right there so you can know that they're charging. So we got two devices charging. Let's throw the watch on there real quick. Magnetic. So we got the watch charging as well. Let's go ahead and slide this up just a little bit. We got the watch charging as well. And then let's go ahead and throw the iPhone on here. Now, in order to throw the iPhone on here, what I'm going to have to do is take my iPhone cable right here. And I'm going to plug it into the bottom right here in the USB-C port. And now that it's plugged into the USB-C port, we're going to plug it in right here. And we are charging. So just like that, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 devices charging off of this power brick, off of this power bank. Now, just keep in mind, this thing is only 5,000 milliamps. So if you're charging up 4 devices like this, just know that you may not, something is not going to be fully charged. All right. So, you know, I would try to keep it to a minimum, but if you just really need to charge everything at one time, at least you can get some juice to get yourself to a designated area so that you can charge, you know, from an outlet or something like that. So that's just a real quick example of charging everything with this. I got one more thing I want to show you guys, and then we'll wrap this video up. All right, so real quick, I just wanted to show you guys what it would look like if you was to put this on like your backpack or whatever. So right here on my actual camera bag, I have these two little hooks right here on the front straps. Now you can put this on anything if you want to, like a zipper or whatever the case. I got a lot of other places I can place it on here, but just for this quick demonstration, I want to show you guys that you can just throw this on, man, just like this. All you do is push this down right here, and all you do is throw this in. And now if you was wearing this is what that would look like hanging from the front. So if you had like your iPhone cable or something plugged into the bottom and you was walking around with your bag on, you can have a cable on your iPhone charging it up. Or, you know, you can even just use the one that's already in here right here. But at the same time, that's just a quick little example of what that would look like on the straps right here. If you just wanted to kind of use it in that fashion or strap it on to your actual bag, all right? All right, guys, so there you have it, man. Just a quick video on the Rorry portable power bank, man. This thing is 5,000 milliamps. And again, I really do think that this is something that you guys should take a look at because of the fact that it's small, portable, compact. You can travel with this thing. You can clip it to your bag or whatever the case, and you can charge 4 devices from this. 4 devices, man. And I really do think that if you're going to get it, I really would suggest that you get this white color. Now, the black color right now is currently being used right now, so that's why I don't have it on hand, but it's currently being used. But I really do think that you should get this white color. This white one, to me, I love the material on both, but, you know, obviously that black one kind of smears a little bit, but this white one, I don't see any, you won't see any type of, you know, smearing or anything like that. But I will come back at a later time and give you guys an update on how this white one did fare out as far as being dirty and so forth, because I'm going to continue to use this. This will probably be my daily driver as far as keeping it in my car, taking it with me to games and stuff like that. So again, guys, I think this is a go. I think this is something that you guys should take a look at, man. And hopefully you guys have enjoyed this quick video on the Rorry portable power bank. It's been your man Jay, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Peace.